Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube paid me in 2022 just for one of my cash cow channels or YouTube automation channels. So my hope is for this to inspire you to take action and start your own Faces channel. I'm not meaning to brag, but I have been doing this for about 4 years now, and so for me to be making this amount of money, I'm really grateful for it, and I really dreamed of making this amount. And so I truly believe that if I can do it, someone like you who's watching this video can also do it. It takes time, it takes careful thinking, and it really takes like high quality work, okay? I'm a huge believer that you don't need to spend hours and hours and hours of time into something like YouTube just because it's not linear. But those key moments where you think of that really creative thumbnail, that really creative title, that really creative video topic, that's what's gonna matter more than you just kind of like working and spending time on YouTube. As far as the intro goes, let's get started with the video. So again, I'm going to show you just how much one of my channels made in 2022, and it's a pretty life-changing amount, okay? So first off, the content and the niche type. The niche was in TV shows and movies, and so with that, I like to capitalize on upcoming TV shows and movies. It keeps content fresh. It's like an evergreen, endless amount of content. There's always new movies being made. There's always new TV shows being made. I go the faceless YouTube approach, meaning that I hire a scriptwriter, voiceover artist, video editor, graphic designer, and project manager. So moving on from that, as far as the revenue source goes, the entirety of the revenue comes from AdSense, okay? Why not other sources, affiliate marketing or sponsorships? My channel, it's not like a die-hard fan base that's tied to my channel, okay? Affiliate marketing really won't work. Sponsorships, I can't really find. It's like a general TV shows, movie channel. Pretty hard to find sponsorships, okay? So as far as Q1 goes, between January and March of 2022, we made a revenue of about $23,000. Overhead costs, it's about 90 videos times $75 each. So we are posting daily on this, and so that came out to about $6,750, which led to a profit of about $16,507. Okay, so this is the first quarter of last year. You can kind of see like we're posting daily, got around 5 million views, 280K watch hours. Subscribers, I really don't care about subscribers once I'm monetized, but let's move on to Q2, okay? So this is when something, what I like to call the event happened. Again, I'm going to explain to you what this means later in the video, but the revenue was $65,000. Overhead costs was again 90 videos times $75 each. And then the profit was $58,900 for Q2. So this is what that metric looked like. And you can kind of see like around May, there was a huge trend upwards. We were getting around like 200 to 300,000 views per day. Total for the quarter, 11 million views. And then total estimated revenue, like I said, was $65,000. Q3, right? So revenue, 73,000. Overhead costs, again, same amount. Profit, $66,000. Still a good trend upwards in terms of the Q2 event carried over onto Q3 to the point in which Q3 you made around $73,000, right? Now for the last quarter, a big drop, okay? The event that I'm talking about slowly died down. Revenue was about $35,000. Overhead costs, same amount. Profit, $29,000. And so this is how we ended Q4 of last year with this one channel. As far as the 2022 year totals go, we almost hit $200,000 in revenue from just a single channel. Overhead was about $27,000, and the profit we made was about $170,000. So here are the big takeaways to kind of see if you can replicate my success just from this one channel. So lesson number 1 went well. It's anticipating the event strategy, okay? So thinking about what's upcoming in your niche. So the way to elaborate this is that I'm in sports a lot. So with sports, we have like the finals, NBA finals happening. So anticipating like who's gonna win the finals, or anticipating like who's gonna be traded, or anticipating like which team's gonna win. Anticipating the event is a really common strategy that I use across all my channels, and it works quite well. It's like you're the first one to cover that topic, especially if you get it like the topic or basically your opinion right on. Like let's pretend that I predicted that the Golden State Warriors or the Lakers were going to win the championship. It's anticipating the event, and once the event actually happens, you basically like, it's like a big cash grab or payout. So lesson number 2 also went well, is doubling down on what's working. So once that event happens, I basically just put all my time and effort and production into creating videos related to that event, because once you have an event that works and one of your videos starts popping off, you basically have traction on your channel related to that topic. So if you create a similar video to that topic, you're also going to be shown that other related video is also going to be shown to viewers, and essentially that's like what doubling down is. And this is number 3. There's fluctuations of YouTube to go up and down in revenues. I had a really bad start early last year. I would have thought quarter 4 would have been my best, but it turns out quarter 2 and 3 were my best, and that's again because of the event. And again, no matter what niche you're in, there's got to be some sort of event that you can anticipate and capitalize on so that you can basically get a nice payout because you anticipated that event. Now, lesson number 4, it's the idea behind what is a trending topic, okay? So recall how earlier in this video, I was talking about how trending topics, or basically the event that happened within my channel, it went from a quarter 2 and it carried over onto quarter 3. With trending topics, there really is no definitive date as to when they die, okay? Even after an event has ended, you can still make videos on it weeks after and capitalize on it. So I do this a lot, and people, especially individuals who are looking to kind of have like video creation services done by my team, they always want the videos created within like 24 hours after the event happens. It's a very tough thing to do. In an ideal scenario, the faster you can get your videos out, yes, the better. But this is a good case in point in which even after my event ended, I was still able to create videos on it weeks after and capitalize on the viewership on it, okay? So there's no, again, definitive date when an event dies or when a trend dies. Like even after the NBA finals are over, you can still make videos tied to the NBA finals, right? So when the event is over, where will people go for coverage? They're gonna go to YouTube, all right? They're gonna go to YouTube, and so that's why don't be so hard on yourself if you can't get a video fast enough, or if you're grilling your team for not getting videos fast enough. Maybe you should hire someone else. But me personally, for my team, anyone that I work with, clients, we're not so strict when it comes to getting videos out ASAP. And again, although that would be ideal, it's not the like die-hard thing that we have to do. So if you're looking to see how to start your YouTube automation channel, do check out the first part of my series in which I could go over how to choose a niche, which will be linked right over here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.